Hello children, Mrs. Poonam Giri here. Children, today I am going to tell you about how to solve language study. The question of language study is the first question in section 1 language study. Total it carries 10 marks. 8 marks for A section and 2 marks for B section. So total 10 marks it carries, and it is a very easy question and we can get 10 out of 10 in this question. So let's concentrate on that. Now here I am having a board question paper of March 2020 along with me. Let's see. Section 1 Language Study. A. Do as directed, attempt any 4. We have to attempt any 4 questions out of 6. Is that clear? Okay. Now first one is complete the following words by using correct letters. Now look here. A. COR-ER. Now you have to find out the missing letter and you have to make a meaningful word. You have to write down a meaningful word by filling up missing letter. So what can be the missing letter? CORNER. N. If we fill N there, then the word becomes meaningful. So what will be the word? Corner. CORNER. Is that clear? Okay. Now when you write the answer, make sure that you are underlining the answer. If you are filling here N, then you have to underline N. Is that clear? Okay. Now B. F-CUS. Fill up the missing letter. F-CUS. Understood which letter we have to fill there? Yes, absolutely correct. FOCUS. O. We have to fill up O. So let's write O there and underline it. Now the next one is C. HEA-TH. HEALTH. Yes. The letter should be L. Now D. T-A-FFIC. Can you guess? Yes, you are right. TRAFFIC. Traffic. So we have to fill the missing letter R here. So total how many words we have to fill? How many missing letters we have to fill? 4. A, B, C and D. And it contains 2 marks. Is that clear? Okay. See A2. Put the following words in alphabetical order. A. Front, beggar, ancient, earth. What we have to do? We have to write all these letters in alphabetical order. Now which will be the first word? According to alphabetical order, ancient. Yes. Second word, beggar. Third word, earth. And fourth word, front. Is that clear? Okay. In the B section also, we have to do the same. In B also, we have to do the same. Here are the words knocking, kidnapped, knitting and killed. You have to see that which letter comes first. and you have to write down the answer. Okay. Now third one of section 1A is punctuate the following. They will be giving us two sentences, A and B, without any punctuation marks. What we have to do is we have to put proper punctuation marks as well as capital letters. Is that clear? What are the punctuation marks? Question mark, exclamation mark, full stop, hyphen, comma, etc. You know that well. So you have to put proper punctuation marks at proper place. And along with that, you have to see that you are writing capital letter at proper place. Is that clear? So this question also contains 2 marks. Now next one. Make 4 words minimum of 3 letters each using the letters in the word unbeatable. Children, first of all we have to write down the word. Which word they want us to write? First, unbeatable. Write down unbeatable. Now you have to make how many words there we are supposed to make? 4 words, and it should have minimum 3 letters each. So let's see which words we can write. See, BEA. It has 3 letters, BEA. So we can write that B. It is a meaningful word. Now next one, BEAT, beat. Then EAT, eat. TABLE, table. Isn't it? So then ABLE, able. So there are so many words we can make out of this word. So we have to write down the words in this answer. For this question also we are getting 2 marks. Now 5. Write the related words as shown in the example. Look at the question in the question paper. See, in the center the word water is given, and we have to write down the words related to it. Now which word has been given here? Cool. Cool is an adjective or describing word. So in all the empty boxes, what we have to do? We have to write down the adjectives related to water. Okay. What can be the words? Warm. Then hot. Then tasty. Then deep. Shallow. Isn't it? So you have to write 4 words here. If they have given adjective, then you have to write all the adjectives there. If they are given adverb, then you have to write all adverbs. If noun is there, then you have to write all nouns in all the boxes. Is that clear? Okay. So this question also carries 2 marks. Now 6th one. Complete the word chain of nouns. Add 4 words, each beginning with the last letter of previous word. Now first word is road, R-O-A-D. The last letter is D. And they have told us to write the word chain of nouns. So we have to again write a noun which begins with the letter D. Road, then D. What can we write? We can write donkey, dog, isn't it? If we have written dog, then from which is the last letter? G. Then what can we write? Which noun can we write there? God. G-O-D, God. Then again D. Then which noun you can write there? Donkey. Last letter is Y. Then you can write yak. Y-A-K, yak. It is also a noun. And from K, you can write K-I-T, kite. Isn't it? So in this way, you have to complete the word chain. And this question also is for 2 marks. So out of these 6 questions, you have to write just 4. And you will be getting total 8 marks. Is that clear? 2 marks for each one. Children, let's see section B, do as directed. B1, attempt any one. First one is make a meaningful sentence by using the phrase to be known as. Or 2, add a clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. The sentence is, this is the school. So we have to attempt either first one or second one. Now let's see the first one. Make a meaningful sentence by using the phrase to be known as. Now let's take an example. Mumbai is to be known as the biggest city in India. Mumbai is to be known as the biggest city in India. To known as म्हणजे काय? ओळखले जाणे. Now let's see the or. Add a clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. This is the school. Now we have to complete the sentence using a clause. This is the school which is very famous in our town. Now next one, B2, attempt any one. Number 1 is add a prefix or suffix to make new words. And you have to write how many words? 2 words. Now the word given over here is care. Either we can write careful, careless, we can add this suffix. After that, we have to add a prefix or suffix to a word healthy. We can add prefix to these and we may write unhealthy or unhealthful. Is that clear? Okay. So this is how we can get 10 out of 10 marks very easily. Children, along with this video, I will be sending you a PDF for practicing language study question. Go through it and let me know. Okay then, goodbye and thank you till my next lecture.